In this video, we're going to go over how we can make our work both easier to use in the future and more accessible to other users. We'll do this in two ways, by using reports and analytical apps. To start with, we'll start with reports. Reports are a way to take all of the visualizations that we have created during our analytics project and keep them in one place. Here we have taken all of the visualizations from our exploratory data analysis and data preparation workflows and put them into a single report. In this way, they are both easier to access in the future, they are easier to read instead of going to the execution page, and this can be shared easily with other users or exported to be sent outside of your organization. The graphs are functionally identical to the graphs that were shown in the execution page and that come from the workflow. They are also automatically updated every time the workflow is run, so that the latest information is always available to those viewing the report. Next, we'll go over analytical apps. Analytical apps are a way to create a user interface for others to use your workflows, to both execute them and to modify them. This then compartmentalizes the way that other users interact with your workflow, making workflows safer to run and more stable and shareable. In this analytical app, the goal is to make the workflows able to run for any user. Here we have provided some basic information about our workflows, and then we have the different operations or workflows which we have made available to run. We have our exploratory data analysis workflows, our feature engineering, our various modeling workflows, and we have also given them the option to run each of these separately. In this way, they can use this simple UI to then run the workflow that they want in an environment that does not allow modifications outside of what you have allowed. Analytical apps can also be used to add flexibility to workflows, so that other users can modify our workflows. Here the workflow is run directly in the analytical app, separate from the executions page. This has been our entire series on the CPG customer lifetime value. Thank you for listening.